I'm going to show you how to hide attachments in Roblox Studio. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, so as you can see here, this character that I placed inside the game is showing all of its attachments. If you don't want to see these attachments inside Roblox Studio, what you need to do is click and drag with your left mouse button to select the object or character you want to remove the attachment's visuals from. After selecting it, press the Alt key together with the D key on your keyboard. And that's it. Once you deselect the character, the attachments will no longer be visible in Roblox Studio. Now, if you actually want certain attachments to be visible while playing the game, what you need to do is select the specific attachment you want to show. Then, in the Properties panel on the side, enable the Visible option, like this. After that, when you click Play, you'll notice that the attachment is now visible on your character inside the game. And that's basically how you hide or show attachments in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.